Too many times?
Too many.
Alright, so the carpet's getting ripped out right now because it's all moldy. We're chasing wiring. So it's been a while since the last update video. The motor is in, radiator's in, transmission's in, and I did none of it. These fine gentlemen have been working hard, and I commend them for their progress. Mostly Skylar.
Yeah, let's just get that straight.
We got headers kind of on. Need to switch it to studs. What else have you guys done? The transmission's in.
Here, baby.
Oh, you already got the stuff? Oh.
Got him.
Fell for
What'd you do with the knife? Seriously.
Put it over here. I thought. No.
I got it right here. Way to go, Rob.
It's right next to the vape. So this wiring job has been interesting.
No, it's been fucking horrible.
It's been Detroit
Neutral.
wired.
So I've gone through.
Detroit. You don't know me.
Started the wiring. Brake switches are hooked up, or brake lights are hooked up to a switch. That's a beautiful job. Oh, fuck. Yeah, came right at it. Skylar's strong manning it over here.
America to the max.
Pretty tasty carpet.
Steve,
No, you're not American.
how would you rate the smell? Yo, shut the fuck up for like 2 seconds, Steve. How would you?
My weekend.
Are you getting high in there off some mold?
No, it's more like rat shit.
Oh, rat shit.
Yeah, because of all the stench of all the LS swap ideas from Rob.
You can see my face right now.
Phillips screwdriver.
You need a Phillips?
Yes, please.
I don't know any Phillips.
I know.
Oh. I got a flathead.
You're going to have a flathead.
Hey, man.
Keep talking about all that shit in here.
I didn't say anything. You said it.
Work knife.
How goes it?
Very hot.
Ooh!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Love you a long time.
Yo,
What?
it's full-size quarter.
What?
It's quarter.
Like full-size quarter. I'm like, what the fuck's a full-size quarter?
Alright, guys, so we got the starter solenoid. So I'm gonna wire up the hot to the switch, and then, or the input to the switch, and then we got hot and all that, which goes to the battery. Don't think we're gonna run it through a relay. I think the switch should be big enough to handle it. So yeah, there's a fuse panel right now, and the only thing wired up was the brake switch and then a neutral safety switch. So we get to wire all of that up and choose what we want to use it for. Nitrous bottle heater.